as we get to it. Then I'm not going to ask you about breast cancer on the practical. So we'll have time also after the practical. You can look at these slides and see what they look like. I will not ask.
So this won't be on it?
This won't be on it. But I hope I can find something that looks typical. This kind of does look. Actually, you can see here, this is stromal tissue. And these do not look like well-organized alveoli, do they? They kind of look like a whole bunch of cells eating up the stromal tissue. This looks pretty nasty. So they don't look terribly good. Not a lot of eosin staining here, but you can see a little bit more hematoxin than eosin. Yeah, this doesn't look healthy, that's for sure. So now here you happen to see a section of stromal tissue. That looks okay, because the stromal nuclei are sparse and elongated. But when you get into a section that's really full of cancer, you can see very little. In this case, you see very little of normal. Here's sort of a duct, but it's all overgrown. And all of these just cells everywhere, just solidly packed cells. That's cancer. That does not look good at all. If you look closely, actually, you can see cells that have different amounts of nuclear material, all kinds of weird things going on. Cancer is like that. Just trying to see, sometimes you can see. And here you find an area of stroma which has been invaded by some of these cancer cells. So we'll actually, take a look at that a little more after the practical, but just to take a look at the BR, not the BRC,